Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, pupunta tayo sa isa sa pinaka-mysterious at pinaka-dark na lugar sa game, ang Liom. Ito yung region kung saan umiikot yung Dark Elf storyline. Kaya kung mahilig kayo sa lore, dark fantasy vibes, at solid world exploration, bro, magugustuhan nyo talaga to. So ayun, let's jump in. Honestly, pagpasok mo pa lang sa Liom, iba na agad yung feeling. Dark forests, ruined places, glowing structures, parang every area may sariling story. Hindi siya yung typical MMORPG map na pang-farm lang. Parang buhay talaga yung world. And low-key, parang nasa fantasy movie ka habang nag-e-explore. Sobrang bagay pa ng dark atmosphere sa whole Dark Elf theme, kaya mas immersive talaga siya laruin. Since dito umiikot yung Dark Elf storyline, maraming mysterious vibes habang umiikot ka sa region. May feeling talaga na may malaking conflict na nangyari dito dati. And habang tumatagal ka sa map, mas gusto mo pa i-explore yung world. Tapos yung bagong zones, bro, may creepy looking areas, may ancient civilization vibes, tapos may ibang spots na mukhang boss fight location agad. And honestly, bawat zone may sariling personality, kaya hindi boring i-explore. And feeling ko perfect gawing recurring content tong Liom. Pwede tayo mag-lore hunting, secret area exploration, boss encounters, or kahit chill grinding streams habang umiikot dito. Kasi unlike ibang maps na nakakalimutan agad, itong Liom, parang habang tumatagal mas nagiging interesting. So ayun guys, that's our first look dito sa Liom, a mysterious world ng Dark Elves. If gusto nyo pa ng more Liom content, future explorations and gameplay videos, make sure mag-subscribe kayo. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.